Assessment of site. Following point you have to consider. First one, health and safety, very important. The second, wind shadow analysis. If height of the tree is 6 meter, then you have to take a distance 12 meter. Then mounting area you have to select. Otherwise shadow will come. And 4 hours of sunshine is minimum. Then PV module mounting, location of inverter, distance between array and inverter and switchboard, cable route and its distance, and remote system location if any present. The next, choosing an inverter, PV array, solar module, tilt angle and direction, peak rating of PV array, capital cost of inverter as per requirement, annual energy yield, shadow type on module array, how much shadow. Then module mounting system, roof material age, sufficient area available or not, weight of array hold by roof or not. PV system to grid interconnection is net metering, export, and gross metering, import and export. Then this select location of system equipment, array junction box inverter, determine length and cable route, array to array junction box, array directly to inverter. Monitoring equipment is there, DC voltage, AC voltage, solar current, kilowatt input, kilowatt output of inverter, daily on, monthly, kilowatt hour, PV string, fault. You can measure these parameters. Then next, they determine maximum number of module fit on roof, measure available roof space, distance, maximum number of module installed on roof, portrait and landscape installation is there. And in portrait you have to make up and down edge zones to, and this landscape you make zones on left and right side, edge zones. So this about the assessment of site.